The second motivation theory we're going to cover is Herzberg's Two-Factor Theory. It says that job satisfaction and job dissatisfaction are two distinct dimensions, and that each one is impacted by a different set of factors. In other words, the opposite of dissatisfaction is no dissatisfaction, and the opposite of satisfaction is no satisfaction. Hygiene factors are related to dissatisfaction and are usually extrinsically motivating. Things like the quality of supervision, pay, company policies, physical working conditions, relationships with others, and job security are hygiene factors. Changing hygiene factors may have an impact on job dissatisfaction, but it might not make much of a difference in terms of motivation. In order to have an impact on motivation, we need to think about motivators or satisfiers. Things like achievement, recognition, responsibility, meaningfulness, advancement, personal growth enhance satisfaction and are usually intrinsically motivating. The results of research about Herzberg's two-factor theory are mixed. The model is based on Herzberg's work with accountants and engineers, so it may have limited relevance outside those industries.